We are live. Happy Friday. Happy Friday, man. We've gotten to the end of the week. Hold on, let me show my face, yo. Let me show my face. Let me show my face. We have made it to the end of the week. It's Friday. We've had non-farm payroll come out, and I guess the market really likes what it's been seeing. Look at that pump. So just before I came on, I marked out my pre-market high levels, and we from this pre-market high level that I marked out, we are up 220 points. Wowzers. Wow. It's Friday. It's been a long week. You know, it's almost a weekend. I want to know how your, trading week has been. Let me know in the description. Let me know what's going on, man. It's actually going to be a shorter stream because your boy is tired. I was up at 5 a.m. today, man. Actually, no, I was up at 4 something. And then I had to hit the gym. I had a boxing session, a couple people I know. So, yeah, that's what I've been doing. Like, that's honestly what I've been doing this morning. So, I'm tired. I'm honestly tired. So it's not going to be nothing crazy. We don't need to do anything, silly. We've had an extraordinary week, and so let's just finish it on a high. Right. So what are we looking at? We're going to be looking at a couple charts, honestly. So this is now our pre-market high. We're going to leave this here. I don't know. Something is telling me to, where this bounced off? Like, it literally bounced off this. This is the untested wick right here, really and truly. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, this is not the pre-market high. I'm going to just delete this, man. Anyway, we have our previous day high level right here. We had previous day low right here. Pre-market low is down here. We have the London opening range right here. London opening range, so when I never traded London today because I was at the gym. So London, made its low here. And then London made its high right here. And we stayed in this range. And then we broke out of it. And we did retest it. Actually, I thought we didn't retest it. So broke out of it. This is why you have to be patient and really wait for these trades to kind of develop and stuff like that. So it's just like, let's go to a 30-minute chart, right? And let's go. So it broke it, and then look, 30, 60, that's an hour, 30, 60, 2 hours for it to retest this. So it's like being patient is so important. And anyway, I had you remember at the start of the week, I saw this, we entered a trade like right here, and then it just blew through our supply zone, and then I averaged down, and then it never came back, right? This is this is a 30-minute though. Let's go to a 10-minute. Yeah, so averaging down like this, and then remember I got lucky coming back to, just at the zone because it retested it. This would made a high. It came back really close and it continued up. So that would have been a blown account right there. So this is why, if you take this entry, right here, I'm gonna show you like exactly how to play this out. And yeah, I don't always do it myself, but if you take this entry, your stop loss has to be the midline or just above the midline. So you're risking like 25, 30 points at most, because otherwise you're going to be thinking that you want to continue going down. If you take entry at the midline, your stop loss has to be above this area right here. So again, that's 30 points. And then of course, if you take entry at this level, then that's going to be 30 points, higher, right? Looking for price to come back in. But I mean, you don't stand in front of a moving train, and you don't stand and you don't catch. If a knife was falling, am I looking up, trying to catch it? No, I don't. So it's just like, we shouldn't, be looking to do that when it comes to the markets, right? One, standing in front of a moving train. that means us standing here and trying to, you know, stop the train from moving. And then 2, us, you know, trying to catch a falling knife, because let's not use that as an example. Say we're trying to catch a falling knife here, expecting price to bounce back up. No, price went, you know, further back down. And look at this, moving train, falling knives. So just examples, you know, all the time. Today is all about patience. I'm not looking for anything, you know, crazy, anything extraordinary, because, you know, our week has, you know, been set already, really and truly. This week is all, sorry, this week, today is just all about, you know, patience, man. Patience. Patience and just waiting. And this one, not chasing reversals at this point. It's like, I was thinking, oh yeah, I want to catch the reversal up here again. Like, why would I want to catch a reversal? Price is so bullish. Why not wait for price to come back down here? You know, plus as well, the market isn't open either. So we taking a trade prior to market opening isn't, you know, always the best setup. Anyway, let's get into it, man. We are moving down though. So Nasdaq moving back down. So we are down 45 points right now. But yeah, I'm gonna just mark my levels out and then, you know, just get everything ready. I'm gonna be a little quieter today because I'm just gonna be focused, locking in. So yeah, let's get to it, man. Look what I'm gonna do, because I'm seeing opportunities right now, but the market is closed. So let's mark out for 15 minutes. Let's lock the account. It's just not even. Oh, I thought that said we were 14.59. I was about to be like, damn, that's after that's 30 minutes into the open. So that's gonna prevent me from trading anyway. So we can do other things anyway. Let's get it. So let's go. Let's start on the 4 hour. All right. Let's move this over some. See, there's that high right there. And also, look at this. Look. This is, what is this? 11 yesterday. Look at this. No sense of direction. No sense of direction. Bears are in control. No one's again. No one is really in control. Even though these candles have closed, like red, green, red, green, red. Nobody's in control. Like, there's just nothing happening. Yesterday was this previous day low right here, and it's just like it made this low, filled this imbalance, and then it just bounced up. And this is the first, second candle that's actually made anything significant. We still have our levels right here. We're still moving down right now, by the way. Still have our levels here, but so we have this July 31st low, and we have previous day low here. We have Wednesday lows are right here. Wednesday high, Wednesday low. Let's go to the hourly chart. I'm happy with these levels so far, honestly. All right, I'm happy with these levels. Let's go down to the hourly chart, and then see, this is the problem. Like, remember I said I wanted to take a short, you know, and just move, take a short, you know, at the highs when it made this. But then it's just like, there's nothing telling me to go short other than this candle. But You know, again, we're above the EMAs. EMAs are bullish. This could have just been a pullback, and there is plenty of room to the upside. This could have honestly made this red candle, made this green candle, or continue broke these highs and just had the shorts, you know, scared. The market is going to provide opportunities all the time, so don't feel like you have to take a trade at, you know, every single point. Anyway, let's get our level set. So we have a pre-market high level there, pre-market low level there. Also, we are going to be looking at this very closely. I want to see if this crosses over. If VWAP crosses over the 10-minute 200, then I feel like that's a bullish indication for me to continue going long. So let's go back to the 10-minute chart. Okay, so we have the Wednesday highs up here. We have this here. Let's post this into the Discord watch list channel so we can let the members know what's good. Share. There we go. So NQ 10-minute. So we're gonna say NFP came out and stop, and the market reacted well. Price is pushing up, even though we are seeing a slight pullback right now. If we retest that previous supply zone, then I would be interested in the longs, but market opens in 23 minutes. Market opens in 23 minutes, and a lot can from now till then. Pre-market low, pre-market high, previous day high, low, high and low, pre-market low. Oh, that's a big dump. Big dump. So, oh my God. Man, that's crazy. To think that I was gonna take, you remember I was saying, like, don't stand in front of a moving train. You know, like, this is an example of me standing in front of a moving train. This would be an example as well, because we don't know, you know. And then look how it's gone down. It's gone down 100 points, bro. Like, that's crazy. It's gone down 100 points. It's gone down exactly to what you just can't make this up sometimes. But you know what? Sometimes you're gonna have those days, and then yeah, sometimes you're not. But like I said, man, I'm okay. I would have taken a trade here and I would have lost. I would have taken a trade here and again probably lost because now EMAs are bearish. So we're just gonna be patient, man. We're just gonna be patient. I honestly want to have a nap though. Like I'm legit tired. So I'm actually this is actually gonna be a very short stream. Look, it's moved up. It's crossed over. See, look, rejected it. If it comes back through here, then I know this supply zone is holding up. What we want to see, if this is really a trend, we want to see price push up here. Maybe do a little dancey. But we need to see price push back. This is what we'll be looking for. This is what we need to be seeing. It can do a little chop around here if it wants, you know. But ideally it needs to start either moving sideways and then moving up.
So I want to react to this one thing ZZ Mills said on the show I was on, Walk Into a Bar by 4H Stories. It's been on my mind, but I'm going to play it very quickly.
Idea of hell was used a lot so that I didn't do bad things. You get what I mean? Don't do this because you're going to end up in hell. So that element of fear was always there, and that then made me want to do good.
This is so important to tackle because I think part of growing up and deconstruction, what you're going to call it, is taking a look at the things that your grandparents, maybe your parents handed you, not because they wanted to do you any harm, but because of
Still moving down. It literally just gave up the entire move, which I'm mighty confused about. I'm just mighty confused about it, man. Still short. I'm like mighty confused. The other pre-market level was here or here. I can't believe it's moving down like this. You know how I'm not, I'm not, I'm not gonna be frustrated. I wasn't meant to take it. There is something better for me out there. I, there is something better for me out there. Honestly, maybe this was the non-farm payroll move, and it's just giving it all back. I never thought, I never thought it would give it all back. We're probably coming down to VWAP by the looks of it. How crazy is that? What the hell, bro? Oh man. Down another 61 points. 150 points. So market opens in 10 minutes. And we're just gonna be patient and just be patient, wait, and yeah, not cry about spilt milk, bro. You just can't cry about spilt milk. You just have to just, be patient. Like I said, there's so many opportunities that happened on the day. This is gonna give the whole. This is giving the whole move back. Oh my god. Still moving down. This is a very strong candle. It's literally giving up the whole entire move that it done made like an hour ago. So an hour later, it's just giving that entire move back up. And I was thinking to take the trade. Why didn't I take the trade? Because I'm being patient. Oh well, there's gonna be other opportunities. Look at this. Look at this level. Look at this now. What's the 15 and 30 minutes looking like? So we're at the 15-minute EMAs right now. I wonder if we get a pullback, 15-minute pullback, back to 800 maybe for a short. Or does it keep going down? 30 minutes is, I don't know. I feel like, look at this. Is this going to be an inside candle? It's an inside candle. I need to go get some water. Market opens in 9 minutes. Hourly chart. Hourly chart is here, and it broke this pivot. That's probably why it flipped long into the pivot. Oh yeah, pivot point is right there. Alright, let me go get some water. I'll be back. Alright, we back. Damn. We flushed all the way back down to previous day high and market opens in 1 minute. Literally 10 seconds. So let's move this back over. We've curled over now. Oof. Well, where are we at? Okay. I think I can. Let's see if it wants to give us this. Buy green candles. Oh, we are in. Oh, wow. Oh, that's too fast. Come on. We was patient this whole day. All right, we're locking that.
Stop filled.
Crazy. Oh, I missed that. Oh, you're kidding me, bro. I can't make this up, fam. I honestly just cannot make this up, bro. It literally just comes back up, stops me out. And it's just ridiculous, bro. Oh, we're gonna. I mean, this is a basis of risk right here. But I think if we're pushing this, it's gonna come up to here. And wow. Dicey. It's gonna miss me by just a tick again.
Order filled.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Stop filled.
Wow. Okay, we're out of that. I wanted to take the high of that supply zone, and I thought it would go back there. Feel me? It never did that though. We're gonna wait for this candle to close. Go back to the 10-minute. Look at this 10-minute though, like flipping out. Oh, look at this, it bounced off the 15-minute 20 EMA rapid. $3 minute. We got a minute 29 on this. Alright, we're short again. Let's see if we can get a little move down. All right, break even.
Stop filled. Order filled.
One more time. I just keep getting stopped out, bro.
Stop filled.
We're done. We're done for the day, bro. Just like that. Oh, I'm gonna get $100, bro. $100. I just putting out that pivot point, but it missed it by a point. Yeah, I'm not interested in that, sorry. Previous day high again? I mean, I had it from up here, bro, and it's just like... How long left on this candle? 1:33. I don't know, that pivot point is like right there, and it's just like, do we trust that pivot point? We're gonna go with 23 points. Yeah, something shorter.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Got it. $100 extra. We are done for the day. 170. And I'm gonna lock the account so I don't do anything stupid. Yes, lock account. Boom! Let's go! I had it up here, bro. And I just knew it just came and took me out, and then it just went back down. It bounced off here. I should have taken a trade up here, would have given me some points. but we are done, bro. That's my Friday. Like I said, I was like, I'm like super tired. I'm super tired, but we are done. Let me show you my week and how my week has gone. How my month has gone so far in August. I don't know how. Some people just sat through a 75-point pullback. That's naughty, bro. We are done, bro. We made it, bro. We did it, man. We did it. We actually did it. Can't believe this. This stopped me out, bro. When I had this trade from, oh, it doesn't let me. I had this short and it went down to my thing, but it stopped me out. Went down to it, then pushed up. So then I tried to take shorts again at this level right here because this is where the data candle came out. And once I saw this data candle, I was like, okay, we're probably going to reject this because not only does this data candle high line up with my supply zone high, but so yeah, that's the reasons that it lines. So this data candle high lines up with my supply zone high, and I was like, I'm going to take that again for an opportunity to go short. This came back a little bit and then stopped me out for a loss of $500. Wow. Okay. Oh, okay. So I was up 180 from here, and then yeah, okay, 25 points, one contract. Could have been much worse. And then I took this trade for 110, and then I took this for 1400, and then I took this trade for 1700. So the day we're up 1300 on the day, and we are happy, with that. So yeah, as you can see, if I open this screenshot, this is my week. So yeah, what a week so far. August is just beginning. To start the week, we made 3,756, sorry, 566, and we made 1847, and then 559, and then today ending Friday with $1,300. So actually going to be requesting a $2,000 payout today. So super grateful, and this is a very short stream today because I'm locking it out. I'm not going to trade anymore. I'm just going to take the win, walk away, and just enjoy the rest of my day. So if you're trading, make sure you trade safe, and I will catch you on Monday. But on Sunday I will be doing a pre-market session, going over the trading session from this week, mistakes I made, what I could have done better, etc, etc. So the market is just like super volatile. There's opportunities everywhere. So it's just like when it's dancing around supply zones like this honestly has to reclaim this level in order to go back to pre-market highs. Otherwise, we're honestly gonna dump. But VWAP has crossed over the 10-minute 200, so the possibility to continue going long is there. But we're at levels now where it's just like if you was to take it short now, you wouldn't be wrong for thinking short or doing that. Only thing is that CBC is long, but you're in a supply zone. But yeah, I'm not going to take another trade today. I am absolutely done. We're up $8,000 on the week. That's a very good week. We're building the account up, so we're going to take out a $2,000 payout once the market is open. So peace out. I'll see you on Monday.